Welcome guys back to another video, and today I received a new Mantis GTX 232 microphone from Trust. Guys, it's not a sponsor video. I can never get a sponsor anyway. Sad times. And so yeah, I gonna make videos on this now. I used to make videos with this microphone attached to headphones, but now I'll have headphones separately and microphone separately. So this is not gonna be a long video, quick review. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what's inside. Alright guys, so it comes with a microphone itself. It comes with a stand inside here, tripod stand. It comes with a sticker, manual, and whatever this is, information or something. I really don't care about that. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna assemble all this and meet you guys there. Alright guys, we're back, and after so much struggle I finally set it up, and I also set up the microphone on Windows 10. So guys, there's actually no way I can transfer audio from my PC to my phone to show you guys the noise difference, the sound difference, but I have one way of showing you, I guess. So it's not really the best way to give you a demonstration of how it sounds, but yeah, here we go. Alright guys, so let's click record. Bring myself closer enough. Hello, testing mic 1 2 3. Hello, testing mic 1 2 3. Alright guys, thanks for making this far. Sorry guys for the really lame video. This video was literally made on the spot. I literally bought this instantly as soon as I saw it. And for future videos, I'll be using this to record my voice, and I'll be not really disposing. I'll be storing this away and using my other headset to listen to. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for the bad video. Hope you enjoy. Hope you're safe. Hope you're happy. Have a good day. Peace.